Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be whipping out the Blackstone and we're going to be making a delicious sandwich called the Reuben. Let's get right into it. Okay, we got our rye bread. We got our pats of butter to toast up the bread. We have our sauerkraut, and we have the Thousand Island, and we have, most importantly, the corned beef. All right, we're going to let this Blackstone get heated up, and I'll bring it right back in a little bit. Okay, we're ready to go, and when we start this is going to go by very quick. All right, first let's get the bread toasted. All right, we're looking for a nice crunch on this bread. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah, nice crunch on that side. On that side too. All right, we got our bread all done. Let's get the sauerkraut on. We're going to cook out a lot of this moisture. And let's get our meat on. And I like to put Thousand Island on my sauerkraut and cook it right into it. I'll be adding more later on under the sandwich. But for now, we're going to cook this flavor into the sauerkraut. All right, let's get this divided up into 2 sandwiches worth. Get our Swiss cheese on there. All right, now we're going to steam it. Get that cheese all good and melted. All right, let's get them up there on the bread. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna add our sauerkraut. Let's add some more Thousand Island. Can't have enough Thousand Island. All right, let's get this cut up and go for the long-awaited taste test. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, isn't that beautiful? Very easy to make, quick dinner, fabulous, fantastic tasting sandwich, the Reuben. All right, I'll bring you up top and we'll go in for the taste test. Look at all that goodness. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. What a beautiful sandwich. All right, here we go. That is one fantastic sandwich. Oh. These Reubens taste fantastic. Oh my gosh. And they're messy too. All right, Rob at Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, who used to be known as Poor Guy with a Blackstone. I hope you really appreciate this. Blackstones are awesome for making these kinds of sandwich and many other things. If you haven't checked out Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, I will leave a link to his channel down in the description. Make sure you go check him out. He does a lot of good cooking with a lot of different grills, Komodo type stuff, the Blackstone obviously, and he does some food reviews. So go over to his channel and check him out. Cheers to you, Rob. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you like what I do. To all my regular subscribers, I really, really do appreciate you watching my videos. And as I always say, if I can cook it, you can cook it. Stop making boring food. I'll catch everybody on the next one. Take care.